Redesigned with American drivers in mind, the new GLI has more power, more technology, and more handling prowess than its predecessor, in a package that's within reach of the compact sedan market. While some automakers have either made their enthusiast offering more expensive or eliminated them entirely, Volkswagen knew some car owners need a bit of fun from their vehicle. The 2019 GLI borrows the GTI's 2.0-liter turbocharged TSI engine, good for 228 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque, on premium fuel, an increase of 18 horsepower and 41 foot-pounds from the previous GLI. The power gets to the road through a choice of either a 6-speed manual or an advanced 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic transmission, a type of transmission usually reserved for high-end performance vehicles. To keep the 18-inch wheels planted, the GLI uses a strut front suspension and a new multi-link independent rear suspension. The front brakes are shared with the Golf R, while the rears are upgraded from the regular Jetta. And the GLI also employs the VAQ torque sensing limited slip differential. All of the performance enhancements are standard across the Jetta GLI trim. So too are several new driver assistance features, including blind spot monitor, forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking and rear cross traffic alert, and the Jetta GLI also comes with other popular features as standard, such as App Connect cell phone connectivity, 10-color ambient lighting, automatic climate control, keyless access, and heated front seats. New to the GLI, its standard drive mode selection allows drivers to customize this vehicle's dynamic behavior. This system includes 4 modes: Normal, Sport, Eco, and Custom. Normal mode gives a balanced driver experience, while Sport is tuned for more dynamic throttle and shift responses, tighter steering, and more aggressive exhaust note. Eco mode optimizes shift points, throttle response, and climate control settings for improved fuel economy. And the individual setting allows a driver to tailor the steering and throttle and climate control settings. The VW Jetta GLI S starts at $26,890, and it will be available this spring at the dealerships.